Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel, Royal Money. You are watching Best Income Secrets on how to make money online. Please subscribe this channel and click on notification bell icon to get more updates on online business and work from home opportunities. So let's get started.
Friends, you must have heard about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron. And in today's video, we are going to talk about Forsage, which is a global business and has hit the market everywhere. On most of the YouTube channels, you will find the videos of Forsage.
Forsage is a well-known business platform. If you want to know more about Forsage and how to earn incredible income here, please watch this video till the end.
And friends, Forsage is 100% decentralized system. Decentralized means no manager, no administration. The one who have designed the system, the owner also works in the system like us. The programmer has no control over the system and it will never stop. And it works on blockchain technology with 100% transparency. It works on smart contract technology. That means the contract or account balance will always be zero because the platform is transparent and the profit is transferred to the members in their wallets. So no money is collected in the system but is transferred from member to member. This is not an MLM or a chain system. This is pure a system to help people earn more and more. It is 100% genuine, 100% decentralized, and 100% online. And it works on blockchain and smart contract technology.
Friends, there are many companies that are come up with marketing plan like Forsage. The original link of Forsage is trx.forsage.io. Our link is given in the below description box. Before you confirm the registration, you need to confirm my referral ID number which is given in the description box. So now let's move on to the Forsage Matrix plan.
So the joining amount for Forsage metric plan is 200 trons. So in Indian rupees, if you say it can be, if whatever the rates is today's rate, it can be 500 rupees, 550 or 600, whatever that you need to find out. Once you join, you get two positions, X3 and X4. And this is equally placed in X3 and X4. That is 100 thrones in X3 and 100 thrones in X4. So your thrones has been equally divided in X3 and X4, which is working plan and the other says non-working plan. Now when it is said non-working plan, it doesn't mean that you need to work. You need to work so that you can increase your income as much as possible. Next, when you get this position X3 and X4, in X3 you will see three circles. That means these are the three peoples which will be brought by you. And X4 you will see 6 circles. That means these are the 6 people which will be in your team in X4. So let me show you now how it practically works. Now when you invite a direct person under you, that is, for example, it is A position, you get 100 trons. That is 100% income is given to you. Same way, when you invite a second person, that is B, again you get 100% income from B, that is 100 trons. And when you invite the third person, that is C, his income has been forwarded to the upline sponsor and your ID is generated to recycle. So in X3 you have 3 positions for the people, 2 positions you receive the income and the third position is given to your upline. Now let us see what the X4 says. Now in X4, as it is said, it is a non-working plan. Non-working plan means you will get your team members under your ID automatically. That can be from your downlines or that can be from your uplines as well. So we don't know exactly from which side the downlines will be given to us in your team. So you have 6 people in your team, and how it works, let us see. How you receive your income from X4. This is also called an auto-filling system. Now you have a position A in your first level. So that can be from your upline as well, that can be from your downline as well, or it can be your direct referral which you have got in the position of A. When this A position is filled, the income which is generated, that is 100 trons, is forwarded for your upline sponsor. Same way, when the B position is filled, again the B position income has been forwarded to the upline sponsor. Now next is C. Once you generate your C, the income comes to you and you receive the 100% commission from C, which is 100 trons. Next is D. When D is placed, again you receive the 100% commission, that is 100 trons. As I told you earlier, this can come either from you, from your downline or your upline. Next position is E. From E also you get the direct referral for you. The commission is given to you, that is 100%, 100 trons. Next position is F. Now this is a recycle position which will be given up for the upline and your ID has been ready for the recycle. Recycle means again you will get a 6 people team newly generated under your ID. In this 6 total position, you get the income from C, D and E. That means you have received 300 trons. And A, B and F has been given to your sponsor. So in this structure A, B, C, D, E, F, that can come from you also, that can come from your upline also or your downline also. So this is called auto-filling system. So this is how the system works. So let us go to the next slide, which is called slots. These are the 15 slots which you need to buy step by step. If you want, you can buy 2 or 3 slots in advance as well. For example, if you buy 3 slots together, you will receive your income from all 3 slots. The same 6 position people will be under all 3 slots. It is not compulsory that you should buy the slots, but it is up to you so that you can do your extra income with the slots. So you can see here the slots in X3 there are 15 slots and X4 there are 15 slots. One important thing I want to clear with you is this. This is an international market. So we don't know from which country or which state or which place the person will be under us. And as I have told you about the slots, these slots what you can see 15 in X3 and 15 in X4, you don't have to buy again and again. Once you have purchased the slots, the same slots is been recycled every time. And neither you need to do any investment to buy the slot. Whatever earnings you're getting from X3 and X4, with the same earning money, you can buy the slots. So friends, now let us see how much income we can make from this 4-stage metric plan. First, we'll start from X3. From X3, for the first slot, you make around $10. Slot 2 around $21. Slot 3 around $42. And this is how around 15 slots you make the income around $1,15,248. And if you convert it into Indian rupees or Indian currency, you make around 84 lakh rupees. And as we have explained to you earlier, this is a recycle slots, so you keep on getting your income again and again because your slots are recycled again and again. And now let's see from X4, which says non-working plan. Here in the first slot you make around $14, second slot around $28, and so on till 15 slot you make around $1,53,664. And if you convert into Indian rupees or Indian currency, that is almost 1 crore rupees. And friends, Fosa also has come with another plan, that is X Gold, and we are going to explain you this in the next video.
So friends, isn't that amazing that we can earn so much of money by this fantastic matrix plan? It's really incredible. This is the world's best plan and it is moving faster around the world and people are becoming millionaires. Even in this lockdown, people all over the world are working seriously on this plan and earning incredible income. To start with Forsage business, you need to install Wazir X app and Token Pocket app. It is very simple to install. Our joining link and ID number is given in the below description box. When you join with our link, you will get all the training, how to install Token Pocket, WazirX account, Forsage business training, and every little thing that you need to know about Forsage. The ones who register with our link will get a special training through Google Meet, and you will also get a special giveaway from my side.
So friends, for more details, you can WhatsApp us on a number given in the description box. One important note, before joining with the link, please do WhatsApp or call so we can guide you further. Please like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel so that you get the latest updates on online business. So friends, this is all for today.
We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.